Hi guys, so welcome to my channel, that is Drive with Debo. Uh, this is another blog regarding the maintenance of the vehicle. So this could be done by any vehicle. This is not specific to Skoda Kushaq. So I will just show you today how you can maintain your uh, you know rooftop, which is very hard to maintain because most of the time we used to dust off the dirt or any bird droppings or any dirt from the body side only or on the bonnet, but not from the rooftop because it's hard to reach there. So once in a week, if it is possible for you all, you can do that. So I'll just show you how dirty is my rooftop right now. Even I have cleaned it just 1 week ago. I'll just show you. So I also have a sunroof, so I will just show you how to maintain the sunroof glass also from the top. Okay, so I believe you are able to find the dirt on the roof, and here's few spots are there. So at first what I will do, I will just dust it off with my Jopasu duster, which I bought earlier. Just clean it off. So I just cleaned it off. So now comes how you will be, getting near to the rooftop and cleaning it thoroughly. So at first I will just open my rear door and I will hold upon this roof rail. If there is no roof rail, generally nowadays most of the SUVs, compact SUVs, they come with roof rail. So if you don't have roof rail, you can use a stool of your home and just climb it off. I'm using this, so I'm putting my leg on this door sill, but not on this metal part, but on the rubber part, the plastic one. Rather later I will just clean it off. So here it comes. First of all, I will just drench it with this waterless cleaning solution, for which I will give the link in the description below. Now I will give some time for it to get the strong dirt and any bird droppings is there, if it is there, to get it get it wet, because if it is not wet, I will not be able to clean it off thoroughly, and that may create some swirl marks or scratches also due to the dirt. Okay, so now it's well enough. I will first wipe off the roof rail. Now So again from that side I will do the same. I love cleaning my beast because this makes me content at heart that yes, my baby is perfect. So I'm doing the same thing for the front end. I'll just show you. Here it may become a little bit difficult because the roof rail is just sliding down over here, but still I will get a hold of it. I'm not spraying on the glass because I will use the 3M glass cleaner for this. I'm not putting this. Waterless cleaner over here. Same from this side. For the glass part now, I'll be using this. Okay, so here the sticker from Amazon is there, so you can't see. It's a 3M glass cleaner which I've been using. You can see from here, it's a 3M glass cleaner. Okay, so and there is a separate microfiber cloth for this. I'm not using this because it will having the dirt and glass surface is quite sensitive. I'll just spray it on the glass. Same pattern, giving some time to soak all the darts. Again, I am just wiping it off. Again this way. I will give all the links for these products in the description so that you can purchase it. I will just show you how it looks. So it is crystal clear. Here the products are used. Okay. So it's glazy. You can see the reflection also, and here's the glass surface. So as I have stepped up on the door seal guards, the plastic one, so I will just I will just clean it off. Here you can see my step marks. So it's completely clean. Same is for here. Here, and finally the driver's side.